Some people think that being extra cautious will help them pass their driving test. Caution is good, but too much can create traffic hazards.
Being overcautious on a driving test is not good because it does affect the overall flow of traffic. That's a problem because it seems that when at a four-way stop, that when they come to their stop, they don't want to go ahead and go on their turn. They'd rather wait for everybody else to go and then take their turn. And the only problem with that is that it confuses the other drivers. And there's a nice rhythm usually going at four-way stops, and then they will take that rhythm out and then cause people to try to decide, are they part of this game or are they just going to sit there? And so then the examiner will usually have to say, you need to go on your turn.
You have to be assertive. You have to accept right-of-way when it is yours. Of course, make sure that it is safe to proceed. But when you're overly cautious, you tend to hesitate, and that confuses other traffic.
When they're pulling out into traffic and they're waiting for cross traffic to be clear, they tend to wait until there is no cars rather than just clear. And sometimes I think I need my binoculars or a telescope to see that oncoming car, but they will hold. And as a result, if they keep doing that, then we have to tell them, you need to go ahead and continue.
When an examiner intervenes like this on a test, it affects your score. If it's serious enough to be considered a critical error, then it's a cause for failing the test.
People drive too slow because they've been told by friends, relatives, just go ahead and drive slower than you normally do, and that way you're safe no matter what. But what constitutes a critical error on a drive test is driving too slow, and that's usually 10 miles or more under the speed limit for no apparent reason when driving conditions are good.